Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some hauls to share with you today. One is from Amazon, one is from the Happy Little Corner, who is Rhoda. She sells on Instagram. She sells some gorgeous kits. And uh-oh. That is not right. Okay, so this is only part of my order. This is the cat mug from KS Crafts. And uh-oh. Let's get it open. I think you guys have seen this already from some design team members, but this is the little cat mug, and then it has a layering piece here that you can make it into a shaker. There's the piece that you could use to cut out the acetate with, and then there's the eyes and the collar that goes around his neck there. And it's just a really cute mug. I had to get it for Halloween, so I will be cutting that out. I'm waiting on a few Halloween dies. It's a few that haven't come in yet that I ordered, but this is from Rhoda, and she had a sale last week. Yeah, last week, and I won a giveaway because if you purchased during that sale, your name was entered into her giveaway, and that's going to be coming soon. So I'm excited. And let's get into this one. I'm sure you guys all seen her sales now because everything she shows, it sells so fast. And there's more. Ooh, there's more given in the kit than there is. Ooh, yes. I already forgot what I ordered, but when I saw it, it was just so cute. Oh, a little thank you. You get this faux leather ribbon. It's the candy corn. How cute. I got that last year too when I ordered her kit. And oh yes, girl. Thank you, Rhoda. Oh my gosh. Yes, I got an idea just like that. Just by seeing those candy corns. And then this is her thank you gift with faux leather. Look at the pets. How cute. Oh my gosh. Yes, girl. Yes. This one's a little funky, but I don't mind because it's supposed to be spooky, right? So that was this special thank you. And her boxes are so adorable. All right. So let's get into this. Okay. The little thank yous for ordering more than a certain amount. She gave us some sequin mixes. How cute and perfect, because I'm in a swap that requires some sequin mixes, and this gorgeous flower set. It's part of the kit, guys. If you can't tell, it's a Halloween kit. Look at her gorgeous flowers. I mean, like you could buy the dye and make your flowers, but look at how beautifully she put it together. The color combos are just gorgeous. I especially love these fluorescent colors here for Halloween. This is going to be perfect for Pastel-Halloween that Louisa has a digital kit for. And I'm going to move this box out of the way. This is adorable. It comes with so many pieces, you guys. This kit is well worth the $1 that you're paying. It's not $1, it's just the $1. But I already forgot how much it was. But this is exactly why I bought the kit, because of the potion bottles and the flowers. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Look at how stinking cute. What a gorgeous kit. Oh my gosh, look at that. How it goes with those beautiful flowers. My gosh. Love it. It even goes with the green. Okay, anyway, so you get 5 of these potion bottles. Actually, I don't think I should put these back in. Too late. I'm gonna put them in. Oh my gosh. And scene. And then you get these little charms. I think they're metal. Pitchforks. How cute. To make your dangle. Oh my gosh, it feels so like a rubber coating, but it's metal. It is metal. Hear that? That is metal. So you get 5 of those. And I know these shares that I put up here on YouTube, it's already too late because these are usually, by the time I share it with you, they're gone. Her kits are gone. So I'm mainly sharing with you so that when you go to Instagram, you're gonna pull up the happy little corner, LIL corner, and look at these beautiful witch hats. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know if I have these, this color or this size of the witch hat. But pull it up and follow her because that is her shop that she sells on Instagram. And there's another one, the purple. I'm not gonna take them out. You get 5 of those. How cute. I already have some of these, but they're bigger. These are smaller than the ones I have in my collection. So you get 5 of the ghosties. Whoops. And they're gold backing. And then you get these cuties, these little redhead witches. You see that? You get 5 of those. And here's the bats, the same bats that she sent to me for a thank you. And you get 5 of these also. And you get 5 of these cute little tassels. Look at how tiny. Yes, perfect for Halloween. And here are the pumpkin version of the witch hats, same color. You get 5 also. And then you get the coffin pin. That's a pin that you could wear on your lapel or your t-shirts. You have these brooms. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very cute charms. I really need to put in effort to make some dangles. And you got these bats. They have like a hole on one wing, so you could dangle them. That's 5. And these cute little hats. I think the same version of this hat. I might be wrong, but it reminds me of Frank Garcia's last Halloween collection, and it had little hat charms. So you get 5 of those. It's a different size too. It's smaller, and you get orange pumpkin in this kit. Isn't that cute? It matches so much, guys. So cute. And you got the gold charms with the spider webs. These are gonna be so cute for Halloween. And look at these. Look at these. Oh my God. These are Cupcake Bat Cupcakes. You see that? Purple frosting. Yes. All day, all day. And then we have the purple version of the hats. Look. So you get 5. I love it. Purple and pink. Yes. All day, all day. So I'm going to just put these into this box for now. All right. So get these out of the way. I got the sequin mixes. So that's the Halloween. And this is, I bought the strawberry kit. I think this is the strawberry kit. Yes, Rhoda. Yes, look at this wax paper. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping that. I need to work that in. It says strawberry. Oh, how cute. And then you have the flowers. Look at her flowers. Again, you could do these, but look at how beautifully she put them together. You've got a mauve, a pink, and then the print from the Frank Garcia collection. And that is so gorgeous. And she's included some trim. You have some red heart trim and pink heart trims. Ribbon with the heart edging. And this beautiful, wow, are these cherry blossom? Can you guys see? Are those cherry blossoms? But you get a whole bunch. Wow, Rhoda. Oh my God, yes. What? Strawberries. I forgot what was all in this collection, this kit that she sold. But this is beautiful. They're little strawberry patches. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5. So again, you'll get 5 in every, well, I shouldn't say every, but most. And you got little strawberry milk charms. They're flat backs. 5 also. What a gorgeous kit. Oh my gosh. Look at these strawberry cakes. Strawberry shortcakes. Oh my gosh, the perfect size for my Hello Kitties. And then you get this sequin mix. It's so scrumptious. So she's got some red hearts in here. Little itty bitty flower sequins. And then you've got some whites, pinks, white hearts, some pink sequins, clay sequins, some flat backs. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Thank you, Rhoda. Thank you, thank you. And then we have some, like a mauve-y strawberry. It's like a darker pink. Almost purple, but it's not. Isn't that cute? You get 5 of those. You guys, don't freak out. These are beads. These are strawberry beads. Oh my gosh. A whole buttload of it. Oh wow. Cuties. And then these are also, ooh, what are they? Let's see. They're just, I think they're just cabochons. Yep, it's just a cabochon. Isn't that cute? I'm just pointing it the wrong direction, but there's little pink glitter in the middle. Is it me or is it not focusing? Okay, so you get 5 of those. How cute! And then we have some paper clips. I believe these are strawberries. It's kind of hard to tell. Yes, girl. These are strawberry paper clips. What in the world? What? Okay, let me get it off of here first. There we go. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow. Cute, 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 Rhoda. Thank you so much. You put a kit together like nobody's business, girl. Love it. Then look at these chunky monkey strawberries. Oh, that's gonna be a chunky dangle. Wow. You get 5 of those. So I usually just stay with Rhoda. But here is a doily collection. Doilies are the bomb.com. And you've got pinks, reds, and whites. And you get 1, 2, 3 of each, I think. Yeah. 3 of each color. How cute. Oh, we got 4 of the white. 1, 2, 3. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. So it's 3 of each. It's supposed to be 3 of each, but I think 1 was stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. On the white. So how cute. And guess what? I bought her kit. And this is how much I love her kits. I don't even have the Frank Garcia collection. Nope. Wasn't buying it. But you know what? You can make your own version of the Frank Garcia collection. So guys, let me show you the close-up of the paper. It just says strawberry all over. So if you're not following Rhoda, I'm telling you, you're gonna be missing out on some beautiful kits. And she also sells things individual, like individual kit sets. Like you could buy this individually, but it's more affordable if you buy the kit, because you'll get everything that she's selling individually. So yes, please go check out Rhoda. She's amazing. Please, if you're interested in like charms and flowers and doodads and stuff like that, I say go for it, especially if you don't buy from AliExpress. So check her out, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.